Having to send your dog across ice boulders to look for someone, and how odor moves within those sorts of environments, you can't actually train for. You have to actually create environments where your dog learns concepts. Amount doesn't matter. Available surface area matters. What we're actually concentrating on with our dogs is red, nose on odor, availability. Can you get as close as you think? All the way over to very pink. Are you as close as you can get? The cloaked Red Baron game allows you to put the hide someplace that's very accessible odor-wise, but is visually cloaked. Never help them solve the problem. I mean, this is Sheba, full stop, splashing mud water in your face. Don't do it. If they look to you for help and you help them, you are enabling learned helplessness.